Hey everybody, so in this review video I'll be discussing cell signaling, hormonal communication, and the body's response to exercise stress. Now, exercise acts as a physiological stressor because it disrupts homeostasis. Now, in order to respond effectively, cells throughout the body must communicate with one another. Cell signaling refers to the process by which cells send, receive, and respond to said information, and communication can occur through nervous system signals, local signaling molecules, or even hormones. Hormones, especially, are chemical messengers released by endocrine glands that travel through the bloodstream to target tissues. Now, unlike the nervous system, which occurs rapidly and targets specific tissues, hormonal signals can influence multiple organs at the same time. This allows the body to coordinate widespread physiological responses during exercise. And one important hormone released during exercise is epinephrine. Epinephrine helps increase heart rate and energy availability during exercise. Now, I'm doing weighted halos here on a BOSU ball. I don't know why I chose to do this on a BOSU ball, but it is what it is. I'm going to transition into a BOSU squat with a weighted BOSU squat. And after this transition, many hormones can't directly pass through the cell membrane. Instead, they bind to receptors on the cell surface. This activates intracellular signaling pathways that rely on secondary messengers. And two important secondary messenger systems discussed in exercise physiology are cyclic AMP and phospholipase C. These molecules amplify hormonal signals and help coordinate cellular responses in a process known as signal amplification. Now, signal amplification allows small amounts of hormones to produce significant physiological effects. And these signaling pathways help regulate energy availability, cardiovascular responses, and recovery processes. Now, after I finish these squats, I am gassed. I am tired, and I'm going to transition into a walking recovery. And I feel like it's important to discuss the general adaptation syndrome. Now, the general adaptation syndrome by Hans Selye describes how the body responds to stress. Now, the first stage is the alarm stage, where the body recognizes the stressor. Second stage is resistance, where the body attempts to adapt to stress. Now, if stress becomes excessive, the exhaustion stage may occur. And cortisol plays an important role during the stress response. Cortisol helps maintain blood glucose levels and supports energy availability during periods of physiological stress. And although chronically elevated cortisol levels can negatively affect recovery and performance, acute increases during exercise is normal and a necessary response. So just to summarize everything, exercise challenges homeostasis and the body responds through coordinated cell signaling, hormonal communication, and physiological adaptation.